Hello everyone. Today I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial about the assignment that you're going to be working on. This is the College Options Exploration Worksheet. One of my expectations for you today is that you complete as much of this worksheet as you can. You will be submitting this for review, but you will also be getting this back for your keeping so that you can keep track of the colleges that you researched and the requirements that it takes to get into those colleges. The one thing I want to make sure you do is that you write your name and high school at the very top of the worksheet. And then I want you to also notice that not every page of this worksheet is the same. On this one, you'll see that the title for that section of information is Community College. That's because I want you to look up at least one community college of your choosing. And then you'll notice that the second page is for a public university. So I want you to think of a public university that you're interested in and fill in all the information about that university. Um, the main parts that I want to require for you are from the name of the university down to the admission requirements. If you would like, this is just an optional part, but if you would like, it would also benefit you to understand how much it would cost for you to attend that college or university. So I have included some space there to jot down that information if you want to look it up for each school as well. And at the bottom, you'll notice there's some space for notes. Then the third page is for private colleges or universities. So I want you to do at least one of each of those and also one for an online degree program. After that, you have the option of doing any type of college that you want to continue looking up, whether it be community college, public, private, or online. You have the option of looking up more. I just want you to tell me what kind of college it is and fill in all the blanks. And so for that, you have a couple more sheets that you can do because you have more options. And the very bottom, you'll notice that I just wrote a little note for you saying that if you do um, have the opportunity to go on a college visitor tour or do a virtual tour, which some colleges are now offering online, to share that experience with your classmates. What did you like and what did you not? Obviously, that's not something you'll be able to do today, but later on, if you have something to share with a class, feel free to let me know and we'll make some time for you to do that. Okay, so I want to show you just a quick demonstration of what I am expecting for you to do to complete this workshop. So we're going to start from scratch. Here I have the browser opened on Google, and let's say I am interested in attending Oregon State University. I can just type in and just Google Oregon State University if I don't know their website address. So we're gonna try to find that. We click on that. So now that I'm on their site, you're gonna notice that every college website looks different and is structured differently. Here we have a couple tabs at the top. We could hit about, but I also see that they have options on the right columns here. So I see that it says future students. I'm thinking that's probably where I want to go because I could be a future student. So I'm going to click there. And right away, oh, look at there. There's a virtual tour right here that you could try out. But I want to try to apply. Apply now. So we have here some information about what it takes to apply, but I don't see anything else about the admission requirements. So maybe that's not where I want to go. Future students, let's read around. It's going to take a little bit of digging to find the information you need. So be patient with yourself, explore. And if you get frustrated, like I'm getting right now because I don't see that information right off the bat, one thing I suggest you do is just go back to the browser and type in admission requirements. This is a little workaround. And here I see a link for Oregon State University Office of Admissions. And we see freshman or first year admission requirements. And that's actually the information I'm looking for. So here I am beginning to see what I want. And it talks about test scores, and this is something I want you to pay attention to. They do have a preferred cumulative grade point average requirement of 3.0 or higher. And looks like you can take either or the SAT or ACT, and they are requiring you to tell them the scores, but so it says OSU prefers but does not require the essay portion of the SAT test. So that's good to know. That's something that I would want you to jot down in the notes for each page. If they are requiring you to do the essay or if they're not, because maybe you don't want to do that part. Okay, so this is the page where you would find that information. Looks like there's quite a bit to read through. Now I want to go back and look up another one. So let's Google Chemeketa Community College. So this is community college. There we go. Programs and classes, admissions, application process. Dates and deadlines. That's one thing you can fill in. That is not exactly the requirement or the information we're looking for. New students, first time in college. Okay, so here's the steps it takes to apply. Looks like they have a placement test, but I don't see any information about SATs or ACTs. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell you now, in case you're looking for any community colleges, that community colleges actually don't require SAT or ACT scores. It might still be worthwhile for you to take those because they might be taken into consideration for scholarships, but community colleges don't require it for admissions. So right off the bat, you know that answer for any community college. Now let's look up a private university. So let's try Linfield College. Okay, about academics, admissions, applying, visit, tuition costs, transfer credits. Applying to Linfield. Let's see if that's where it tells me. No, that's not. Okay, admission requirements. Here we go. So you can apply through the Common App, it looks like. They require a personal essay. Official high school and college transcripts, test scores. Here we go. They require a minimum 3.0 GPA, and they are looking for SATs and ACT scores. So it looks like these are averages. Doesn't say it's required for admissions, however. But there you go. That's just a quick example of how you could find that information. It does take a little bit of digging. I encourage you to just become more familiar with the websites of the colleges that you're interested in, and feel free to just roam around their site. Look at stuff that interests you, perhaps look at their majors, the cost of living there, or attending that community college or any university that you're interested in, this is really just a chance for you to learn more about the different colleges. That's all.